Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed audience, we stand today at a historical moment, a moment that requires us more than ever to stop and reflect on the essence of our existence, on the force that binds us all, on the feeling that transcends borders and differences. This feeling, my dears, is love. Love is not just a fleeting word or a passing romantic feeling. Love is the driving force in the universe. It is the energy that moves us. It is the foundation upon which humanity is built. Imagine a world without love, a world dominated by hatred and malice, a world where mercy and tolerance fade away. It is a dark world, a world we do not wish for any of us. But thank God love exists. Love manifests in many forms, from the love of parents for their children, to the love of friends for each other, to love of country, to the broader and more comprehensive love of humanity as a whole. Love is the bond that unites us as one global family. Dear audience, in a world teeming with challenges and divisions, in a world witnessing conflicts and wars, in a world where voices of hatred and bigotry are rising, love becomes an urgent necessity. Love is not a luxury or a choice, but a duty upon us all. Love is the solution. Love is the path to peace. Love is the key to understanding and coexistence. When we love, we see humanity in others, we see their value, we see their dreams and hopes, we see that they are more like us than different from us. Love calls us to transcend selfishness and self-centeredness, calls us to think of others, to lend a helping hand to those in need, to forgive those who have wronged us, to pardon and forgive when capable. Love teaches us to be more merciful, more patient, more understanding. Love does not mean weakness or surrender. Love is a great power, a power capable of changing hearts and minds, a power capable of building bridges and overcoming barriers. Love is the courage to face hatred with compassion, to face injustice with justice, and to face violence with peace. Dear audience, let us make love our motto at this critical stage. Let us spread love everywhere, in our homes, in our communities, in our world. Let us start with ourselves, by loving ourselves first, then loving those around us, then expanding the circle of love to include everyone. Let us always remember that love is not just a feeling, but it is an action. Love requires us to work, to make an effort, to be proactive. Let us initiate with love. Let us be role models in love. Let us change the world with love. In conclusion, I invite you all, dear ones, to make love the lamp of your lives, to make love your message to the world. For love is hope, love is the future, love is life. Thank you for your kind attention.